we was looking at the native black bees. I raise honeybees. My neighbors raise honeybees. The lady down the street raises honeybees. But on these particular flowers, it was all native black bees. I'm not quite sure why, but I will tell you this. We need the native bees. Without these native bees, blueberries and some crops would be in serious trouble. These black bees can pollinate blueberries extremely well when honeybees had a lot of trouble doing it. So we need to keep the native bees and work with them. I have bee houses all over my yard for the native bees, and I try my best to keep them in the yard.
Here we have a bunch of bumblebees on a lilac bush. They're all over it. Enjoying the summer, or actually late spring afternoon, evening, 7:30. Flying all over. They're not aggressive at all. Not one has tried to come at me. They let me take pictures and record. And they're beautiful.